Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about AWS Serverless Application Model. First of all, we'll see what is AWS SAM, Serverless Application Model. Actually, AWS SAM is an open source frame network that simplifies the development, deployment, and management of serverless applications on AWS. It extends AWS CloudFormation, providing a simplified syntax for defining serverless resources like AWS Lambda, AWS Amazon S3, Amazon API Gateway, Amazon DynamoDB, and also SAM enables developers to define their serverless application infrastructure as code, making it easier to build scalable event-driven applications with minimal operational ahead. Okay. And also, SM is an extension of AWS CloudFormation, offering simplified template format and development tools tailored for serverless workflows. SM is particularly relevant for the AWS developer as it covers key serverless concepts, including Lambda, API Gateway, and infrastructure as a code, which are tested in exams or anything. Next, we'll discuss the key features of AWS. This is a diagram which a user requests to HTTP API gateway. And then it permits from an IAM role. If we give a function as hello world, it retrieves the data from DynamoDB, like the database in. Right. The main key features are simplified template syntax, local development and testing, deployment, event-driven architecture, security, integration with AWS services, AWS serverless application repository, the simplified syntax, SAM. It provides a simplified template syntax for defining serverless resources, reducing the complexity of writing raw cloud formation templates. The key resources are like AWS serverless function, API, HTTP API, application layer version, state machine. The local development and testing, AWS SAM CLI. The CLI allows command line interface allows developers to build, test, and debug serverless applications locally. API gateway endpoints and other resources before deploying to AWS. The commands are SAM build compiles, SAM local invoke runs Lambda functions locally, SAM local start API simulates API gateway locally for testing HTTP endpoints. SAM local start Lambda, which emulates a Lambda environment for testing event-driven functions. Supports debugging with tools like AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. Next, we'll go with deployment. SAM deploy. It uses deploy to package and deploy applications to AWS, creating a CloudFormation stack. Event-driven architecture. SAM supports event source mappings for Lambda such as API Gateway, Amazon S3, Amazon SQS, SNS, or EventBridge, DynamoDB,